Ever wonder what makes a video go viral? What secret sauce do these content creators stir into their digital concoctions that make them irresistible to the masses? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of viral content creation, where creativity meets strategy and where ordinary individuals become global sensations almost overnight. Cue the spotlight on our first guest, a creator who needs no introduction. With a subscriber count that surpasses the population of some countries, meet the enigmatic Pixel Painter. Pixel Painter, what in your view is the magic ingredient for viral content? Authenticity, says Pixel Painter. People can sense when you're being genuine. They're drawn to authenticity. It's like a beacon amidst the sea of pretentious content. Interesting, isn't it? Authenticity, the very essence of being true to oneself, resonates deeply with viewers. Next, we have Tech Guru, a creator who has managed to turn complex tech jargon into digestible, fun content. Tech Guru, what's your take on viral content? Consistency and patience, Tech Guru states. You can't expect to hit a home run with your first video. Keep creating and the viewers will follow. An important lesson indeed. Consistency not only refines our craft, but also builds a loyal viewer base that eagerly anticipates our next release. Stepping into the spotlight next is Fit Freak, a fitness enthusiast who has redefined fitness goals for many. Fit Freak, what's your mantra for viral success? Engagement. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, make them feel valued. They are your biggest supporters, shares Fit Freak. Engagement, ladies and gentlemen, is the key to building a community, a tribe that stands by you, shares your content, and helps it reach a wider audience. To summarize, the secret to creating viral content is a blend of authenticity, consistency, and engagement. True to yourself, regular in your craft, and engaging with your community. These are the golden rules of viral content creation. But remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to content creation. Each creator has a unique journey, and these strategies are the compass that guides them, not the destination itself. So, be bold, be creative, and most importantly, be you. In the end, viral content creation is not just about numbers. It's about creating something that resonates with people, something that inspires, educates, or simply brings a smile to someone's face. So, go ahead, embrace your unique style, and let the world see what you have to offer. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring.